engaging with our grassroots leaders, the chiefs, whom, as you are all aware, when the president ceased vetting, the responsibility of identifying Kenyans was given to the chiefs. So we are around here and around this particular county so that we can be able to share with them the new guidelines that supports them in registration of persons. Also share with them the essence of all Kenyans having identity documents. We've said, and the president has said it very clearly, that we don't want to leave any Kenyan behind, because these identification documents, primarily the ID, is our central document that will assist Kenyans be able to register with SHA, be able to register with as farmers and therefore get the subsidized fertilizer, be able to register and be able to access the affordable housing through Boma Yangu.